What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is. You know what it is. Your boy JP's Audio 08, and we coming to you with the best birthday present ever. So as some of you know, some of you may not know, some of you may only be reminded because we're Facebook friends, but it is my birthday today. And what other best present? What other best am I saying that right? It's got to be the best birthday gift I've ever gotten in my life. I take that back. My fiance is the best gift I've ever gotten in my life. Happy spouse, happy house. I love you. But this is the second best birthday gift I've ever gotten in my life. So thank you over there at TEZLA Audio. I love you guys. Full supporter of TEZLA. I'm talking about from here to the casket drop, baby. 100% loyal to TEZLA. Love y'all. Y'all see the shirt. You know what I'm saying? They gave me the shirt. But this right here. Let's go ahead and unbox it. I'm extremely happy right now. I can't wait. Let's see what's inside. Of all 4 boxes is what they sent me. All 4. Let's go see what's inside. All right, y'all. So first, man, sorry about that little noise I just made. This very beautiful TEZLA 1.5K 10-inch sub. Now, we are running 3 of these. Bitch. Look at that. Oh, that's sexy. Oh, that's sexy. Now, I'm definitely gonna give these subs a proper, you know what I'm saying, video, but this ain't that video. This video is me opening up my birthday gifts. That's it. So, I'm gonna go ahead and open these up too. Little fun fact about me. I hate styrofoam. Hate it. Stand styrofoam when it crumbles together. That just that's my nails on the chalkboard. I can't take it. I know what you're thinking. I picked the wrong community to hate styrofoam, and the wrong profession, because everything in car audio is packaged in styrofoam. But that don't mean I gotta like it. It's nasty. This thing is heavy, dude. This is a little monster. Musical monster. Double stitching. You already know what it is. I promise you I'm gonna do a way better review. This is not a review video. This is an opening up my birthday gift video. And yeah. It's been a long time coming. Oh, but what's powering them, you ask? What's the amp that's going? Did you ask that? Well, what is the amp, you may be asking? Let me show you right now. Ain't bush. If y'all seen my last video, you already know it ain't 2 amps in it. Yes, baby. Yes. It's a 4K. Yeah. Already done a 4K review on this. I actually did a review. You probably could hit that card or link in the description, wherever I'm gonna put it. The review will be in there, but this is the TEZLA 4K. So if you guys have one of these 4Ks, you know exactly how awesome they are already. Come with the 2 plates. You already know why. And if you don't, I'm gonna show you why it comes with 2 plates. Ow. Ooh. Ain't it just sexy when you can open up the amp and all you see is guts? I'm talking about the guts, baby. She cold. I'm happy. Y'all, if y'all can't tell, man, I'm happy being mounted like this. With the lights, because it comes with the, can you see me? With the lights, because it does come with RGBs inside the amp. Definitely gonna make it green. I don't really care about all the other colors. I do. I'll probably find some. I don't know, but I'm definitely gonna have it green. And yeah, man, I'm like ultra excited. Probably gonna take that green one off the front and put it on the back, or I might use the black one. Either way, this is why they give you two. Wow. Alright, y'all, so that's about it. Like I said, this is not a review video. This is just me sharing my birthday gift with you guys. It's been a long time coming before I was actually get some more bass inside the Camry. That is my daily driver, and that's where this will be going into. I have not forgot about the Grand Marquis, but the Grand Marquis has to be on the back burner because there is so much time, effort, sweat, blood, sweat, money that has to go into that Grand Marquis that I can't do it right now. I mean, I can, but then I got priorities, man. I got a family, you know what I'm saying? I got a wedding and a house to get and all that type of stuff. So yeah, that Grand Marquis is gonna be on the back burner for a minute, but this will be going in the camera, so this is first priority. I want to get it done before scraping. That is the goal, but I still have alternators, batteries, some more wire, all that stuff to run and buy still. But this is the first step getting this. So I already have the enclosure in mind on what I want to do, so just be on the lookout for that. I appreciate all my community, my car audio community, for tuning in, all my subscribers on YouTube, all 10,800 and such of y'all. I just appreciate you guys subbing to the channel. If you are watching this video for the first time and you have not subbed to the channel, then go ahead and you know what I'm saying, consider subscribing. I've taken a new direction for my channel with these 2019 showcases. There's plenty of people out there who's in the car audio community doing YouTube, and it's really saturated, and I just want to do my part in being different. I didn't want to go the same route as everybody else. Not saying that what they're doing is bad. I still watch their videos, but I want to do something different, something that's going to make me stand out. So that's why I do full showcases for you guys. I just put a little bit more time and effort into the videos, and it seems like you guys really enjoy them, so I will continue to take the channel in that direction. So that's pretty much it, man. I'm not gonna hold y'all too long because just like you seen earlier, it is 7 o'clock in the morning, and I still got to get my son up to go take him to daycare. So I'm gonna put this stuff back in the box, and because I don't want nobody to touch it or mess it up. But yeah, man, TEZLA audio for the mother effing win, and I love each and every one of you guys. Happy birthday to me, and this your boy JP signing out. Peace. I love each and every one. I love each and every one of y'all. That's what I meant to say. All right, gone.